Yo guys, I create post to my content to my post. So currently I have like 1600 words. So that is really good article for as first article. But issue is I have lot of grammar mistakes. So grammar and word mistake. So I need to fix those issues. To fix those issues, I can use Grammarly. So Grammarly have pre and premium plan. In free plan you will only fix spelling issues. If you want to fix grammar issues, you have to go to premium plan. So in their premium plan you can get everything for 29.95 cents per month if you pay it for monthly. If you pay it for annual, you can get it for 11.66 cents. So this is really cool software. This money is really worth to this software. If you like to buy this software, just there has link on description. Click on it and you will able to create free account or premium account. So first of all I will log into my premium account. I log into my premium account. So we have to install Google Chrome extension. To do that, search on Google Grammarly Chrome extension. So I will put this link on description, so you will be easily go to this page. So you have to go to Chrome Web Store and click on add to Chrome. It will download it and install to our Chrome browser. So you have Google Chrome to use this software or this extension. After that, where is it? Yeah. After that we will get icon to our Chrome bar, and we are ready now. So I have to refresh this page. I will click on no thanks. So when I refresh it, I will show the little red icon. So in there has 281 grammar mistake and 394 grammar errors, word mistakes and grammar errors. So when you have to click on, let me do it again. You have to click on this icon. When you click on it, you will get this kind of pop-up window. So in this pop-up window you will see all alerts or all errors. So currently my page overall score is, my content overall score is 14. So I need this to at least 99. Yeah, at least I need it to 100. So I need to fix those issues. To fix those issues, just click on this alert. When you click on it, let me go to first. Okay, now when you click on the issue, it will show what to do. So I click on the red part. After that, if it need to replace, it will be replace. If it need to change, it will be changed. So you have to check your sentence and only click this little bar icon. So after that it will be fixed. So it's really cool. Cheap select Namecheap. It's wrong because it should be Namecheap. So this way you will be fix all issues. You can if you want to ignore the issue, you can just click on this dismiss button. So this is so easy, and you only need to check the sentence and click on the click on this little button, and it will automatically replace. So this is how I fix issues of my articles. So Grammarly is really cool plugin or extension. If you have free plan, you will only fix the word mistake, and you will not get these some features of this plugin, this extension. So I highly recommend to go to premium plan. So I will fix these all issues and see you in seconds. Okay, now I have overall score of 99, and I don't have any issues now. So my content grammar mistake is fixed. So next we have to check plagiarism. Plagiarism means I need to check my content is duplicate with some other content. So as I told before, Google will not allow to get AdSense, so it will not rank your website if you use other people content. So we have to check plagiarism. So checking plagiarism, we have a function in Grammarly. So there has a link called plagiarism. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will check other websites content on internet. So after that, if my content related to that content, or my content were equal to other people's content, those issues will show in here like this. So currently I have 3 issues. First one is this, second one is this. Those texts are matched with this post. So if I go to that post, it is on Reddit, and if I search this text part, it should be show here. Yeah, it is here. So I need to change it. Other than that, I will not approve because of plagiarism. So there has plagiarism only 1%. If you have more than 8%, you must take care about that. But I don't like even 1% plagiarism, so I will change this text. So it worth paying a little bit more for. So I will change it as it worth to pay a little bit. Yeah, it worth to pay a little bit more. Yeah, it's fixed. Then we have 2. So there has so in this article. So if I go to this website and I copy this part and check on it here. Where is it? What? Is it load? Okay, my machine get stuck. Let me fix it. Okay, this is just let's click on share reference. This website is so just I will change this part. So in this article I will be comparing it. So this article, so in here it's fixed. So also there has another plagiarism part. If I copy this part and check it on that website, it should be there. Yeah, okay. Great. So I need to change that part too. So let me know in the comment box. Let me know in the comment box. If you have any kind of issues, feel free to comment below. Let's change it as this. If you have any kind of issues, feel free to comment below. Okay, great. Now we don't have any kind of plagiarism, and our website, our content overall scroll is 99. So that is really great. This is the power of Grammarly. So I highly recommend you to use Grammarly. If you don't want to pay for Grammarly, just try it the free version. When you try the free version, you will see how powerful is this extension. So yeah, I have 3 issues and 19 grammar mistakes. So I click the again and let's check the issue. So Namecheap was Bluehost is my main keyword, so I don't want to change it. I will just ignore that issue, and it need to be domain. This issue is it's all overused, but it should be overused. I will change it as this because it's not big deal. Massive storage, yeah, it can change the. It's so easy. What the heck? It's so easy. This is important part. Performance is important. Really, the really part must go. Speed. You have to pay. It should be pay. Okay, let's change this as fantastic. Good is often overused, so it's suitable for that price. No, you just add useful. So there's grammar mistake, I need to fix it, and and fantastic. A little bit more issues. Yes, okay. Article. So don't try to fix the. It's worth paying. Don't try to fix these old issues because it will more time consuming, but yeah, overall score is great. And oh man, I get again that plagiarism issue, so it's worth paying little bit. It's worth spend little bit. You spend spend little bit, it will be fixed. So let's see, our overall score is 99%, so I saw that issue. But currently we have really great article without any grammar mistake. Actually there has some grammar mistake. I can fix them if I want. There has one grammar mistake. What is that? It's not big deal. Bit more on getting. I need to fix this part, so I will fix it. And okay, now we don't have any kind of grammar mistake, so it will be easy to read. And this is really great article. So yeah, also I need to check capital letters. So when we add full stop, after full stop that letter should be capital, and when we start our word, first letter should be capital. So I need to fix that issues, and we are good to go. Let's see. Okay, let me fix those. Okay, great. Now we need to fix our SEO and readability. So also we have to add images and videos. So in next video I will show you how to do it. So this is today video. I hope you get good understand, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.